Hello everybody, this is Juan from Shenzhen. So today I'm going to introduce you a new product. Actually, this is like a advanced or updated version for the old liquid nitrogen freezer, because we've been selling liquid nitrogen freezer for years, and we know the advantage and the disadvantage. So that's why we have made this new freezer working with liquid nitrogen. We made it smaller and easy for maintenance. If you have watched our old videos or any other videos, we have made so many videos about this liquid nitrogen freezer. How to separate the glass, how to separate the frame, how to open the flaps. We've done so many videos. So the principal difference between this new version, let's call this F10, another one is F07. So this one is called this F10. We give it a number, a code. So this one we call this F10. So the F10, F7, the difference between the two models, this one we made it smaller. Smaller means you pay less shipping costs. The freight is cheaper, lower. Because we've been selling this a lot to South America, to some other remote countries. The shipping cost is really high. And this product is mainly for starter, because this is cheap. It's cheap. If you want to make edge, if you want to the curved screens and some other model, if you want to take off the frame, if you want to work with some other difficult models, you might need freezer. You might need codes, like extreme codes for the separation. But some of them, they just get started. They just started this business. They're a new starter, newbie in this area, in this business. So they don't have that much money, or they don't want to spend that much money on just one freezer. It's not a freezer just for the separation. So you don't want to spend that much money on just one product. So this one is the best product for starter. Very small. So I'm gonna measure this for you. Just this is like 26 by 22, 26 by 20. As we can see here, this is 26 by 26 by 22, and this is 13 height. And I'm gonna close. Oh, it's okay, Jenna. This is I just want to let you guys see very clear. See? We made it, you can open it. So if you want to change any parts inside, it's very easy. It's very easy. Any part inside, you can change it. It's not like the old one. If you want to change some parts, it's very hard to open the machine. And, it's kind of hard to replace it. So now I'm gonna introduce you how to connect the machine with the tank, because you have to use the liquid nitrogen. So this is liquid nitrogen, and here I'm gonna just make it very easy. So this is the silencer. Just make the silencer, okay? So from the silencer, the first one, the one in the middle goes to this. They were like the black one, the silver. The one in the middle goes to silver. Okay, so the last one goes to the black one. So this is like a fast, I guess called a fast joint or a fast connector. Okay, I'm gonna repeat. This is silencer. You have to screw this one in the middle. This one goes to the silver. The last one goes to black. Okay, now this is the liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen, actually, we're gonna have two tanks. So this one is 10. This one is 10. I'm gonna have another tank for 6 liters, because some of them you don't need 10 at once. Maybe you have two, three pieces screens to separate. So in that case, you don't need Okay, I'm gonna wear a glove. I don't want to get myself burned. I'm gonna use a glove. Okay, you just tighten it. You just tighten it, and make sure if you want to, because as soon as the machines get started, you cannot move. You cannot move. I mean the tank. So just put it in the right position. And this is the cable, power cable. And this is a new cover. Before we had a metal one, so this one is, so I guess call this like a foam. Okay, the silencer. As we can see here, this is the temperature. Okay, now I'm gonna make it like this. Probably you guys can't see this clear. And now everything is connected. This connected well. The bottle, everything. Okay, I'm gonna press this button and make it start. Let's see how long does it take to get to the to minus 140. I'm gonna put this cover on it. Because I've made another video with Eddie from US, from Colorado. Actually, we have explained to you how it works. It's just like the liquid nitrogen goes inside of these plates, do like a circle, circulación. I don't know how to say that in English. Just like make some turns inside of this aluminum plates, so makes this plate cooler. A lot of people ask me how cold this machine can mix. Actually, as we know, the temperature of this liquid nitrogen is minus 196. That means technically this machine can reach minus 190 or more than minus 190. But normally the temperature what you need for the separator is -1. It's like around minus 140, minus 150, which is enough for the separation. So now we're gonna say how long does it take for the temperature goes to minus 140. And after, it's almost like 2 minutes, right? It's only 2 minutes. Can we have another cell phone to calculate how long does it take to? Okay, we're gonna put it here. Now it's like it's very fast. As we can see here, it's very fast. It's minus 26, minus 30. It's very fast actually. Okay, I'm gonna repeat. Wow, very fast. I'm gonna repeat. So this one is very small. 26 by 22 by 12. 12, 20, 26. This is 22. Very small. And this machine is only like 5 kilo, 5G. And we have another. Before we were selling the tank only for 10 liters. Now we have for 6 liters. For some people, you don't have that much quantity. Maybe what you just need to separate 2, 3, 5 pieces, less than 10 pieces once. So you just need to buy a smaller tank. So you don't have to buy the 10 liters, just buy 6 liters. 6 liters means the volume, the measurement, the volume is smaller. and the shipping cost is gonna also be cheaper for you. So that's the reason we just want to make it cheaper. We don't want to make the quality cheaper, make the lower quality. We just want to make the size smaller and make it easier for maintenance. Now this one is very easy for maintenance. So if you want like replace any part, just open it, replace it. It's very easy. Save a lot of time. You might want to ask why we because we've been selling a lot of freezers, electrical one. It's like more than $2,000. But it's not everybody can afford that one. But some of you just get started and just get into this business. You don't have that much money. So this one is the best fringe for you, the best product for you. I mean, for the separation, for the edge separation. It's very fast. Now it's minus 50, minus 53. It's very fast. Very fast, man. Now it's minus 160. Very fast, huh? Very fast. 3 minutes. Perfect. Yes, it's almost like 5 minutes. It's minus 160, minus 61. Because if you want to make it faster, you can just with this one is the noise is kind of lower, but it's kind of slower. If you want to make it faster, you can just take that one off. Okay, we can get started. Because we set for like minus or we leave it there for 3 minutes. Leave it for 3 minutes. We set for minus 140. So that's why when it goes to minus 135, it stops working. So when it's less than minus 35, get started. It will start working again. We have already placed the screen on the coat plates. So we're gonna wait for 3 minutes, then we're gonna get started. 3 minutes. Yeah, it's already like 1 minute. It's gonna be another. You can set for minus 145. So it's gonna be when it's like reaches minus 140, it stops working. See, that's it. If you have these kind of tiny pieces, you cannot just remove it with very hard. So in this kind of pieces, you use cotton wire because you cannot. It depends on, you know, every screen is kind of different. Some of the screens very easy, so all the glass is just separated very fast and easily. But some of them is kind of hard. It's kind of hard. So in this kind of case, you have just to use a cotton wire to put on hot plates and cut it. So this is gonna be easier and a safer way. Okay, guys, we have already, as we can see here, you have enough. So this is -1, it's -145 now. So we suggest you guys have to wear a glove. Wear a glove to when you're working with this machine. I don't want you get burned, so coat burned. So it's kind of, we recommend you guys always wear gloves when you work with this machine. And yeah, I think we have already. There is one more tips. If you want to make it faster, you can just take this one off. If you think this is like noisy, it's kind of annoying, you can just put this one inside, because this is silencer. Make it like silence, okay? So if you think this is annoying, you just put it inside. If you want to make it faster, you just open it. This is like another tips. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to purchase this product, please contact any of our colleague, so who can assist you for the purchase. And if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and also click like. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.